DJI Mini 5 Pro rumored for September. A compact drone with big ambitions is gearing up for another major drone release. And this time, it's not just about the flagship Mavic 4 Pro. Alongside that headline model, DJI's more travel-friendly drone, the Mini 5 Pro, is expected to make its debut this September. If current leaks from trusted insiders like Hikasushi and Jasper Ellens prove accurate, this next-generation Mini isn't shaping up to be a minor update. In fact, the Mini 5 Pro could mark one of the most ambitious leaps in the sub-to-5 OG drone category, combining powerful imaging capabilities with features typically reserved for larger, more expensive drones. Designed to fly below the radar, literally staying under 249 grams is a critical design choice. Drones below this weight benefit from simpler flying regulations in many regions, including the United States and Europe. This means no registration, no licensing, and fewer restrictions for hobbyists so long as you use the default batteries and avoid heavy accessories that might tip it over the limit. A huge step up in camera performance. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade is the expected 1-inch image sensor. That's a big leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor, and it could be a game changer for image quality, particularly in challenging light. A larger sensor usually means sharper footage, more control over exposure, and improved depth of field, all while keeping things ultra-portable. For creators who rely on aerial footage but don't want to lug around a full-size drone, this could be the sweet spot. Smarter eyes in the sky. Another major innovation may come in the form of enhanced obstacle detection, possibly powered by LiDAR-based technology. If DJI manages to squeeze this into the Mini 5 Pro, it would set a new standard for spatial awareness in lightweight drones. Better obstacle avoidance and depth sensing would make flying in tight or dark environments much safer and easier. A big boost to flight time. Is reportedly pushing the limits on battery performance too. Flight times of up to 50 minutes are being whispered in the drone community, a significant jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34-minute rating. That could mean more time to capture footage, fewer battery swaps, and greater range for exploring large areas on a single charge. Extended transmission distance. The drone is also expected to include DJI's latest transmission system, possibly offering live video feeds from up to 25 kilometers away. Combined with longer battery life, this could make the Mini 5 Pro ideal for remote shoots, nature exploration, or large-scale outdoor events. Built for social creators, and feature that seems likely to carry over is vertical video shooting. Perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. The ability to film in portrait orientation is now a must-have for vloggers and mobile storytellers. DJI appears to be leaning into that trend, aiming to make the Mini 5 Pro a go-to tool for modern creators. Right on time for the holiday season. If DJI hits the projected September launch, it positions the Mini 5 Pro perfectly for the peak shopping season. A fall release has worked well for DJI in the past, giving them runway to ride into Black Friday and the holidays with strong momentum. Given the Mini series' popularity, retailers are likely to see high demand for this model and its accessories. Streamlined, foldable, and adventure-ready, the overall design will probably stay true to what made the Mini line successful: foldable arms, lightweight build, and grab-and-go convenience. Reports hint at minor design tweaks for better airflow and cooling, perhaps even smarter integration of components for improved durability and battery efficiency. Price: the step up, but still accessible. While DJI hasn't confirmed a price yet, industry watchers predict something in the $850 to $900 range, higher than the Mini 4 Pro's launch price, but justified by the upgraded hardware and tech. It's still well below DJI's pro-tier Mavic models, making it an attractive middle ground for creators who want top-shelf performance without breaking the bank. A drone that blends portability with power taken together. These rumored features suggest DJI is aiming to deliver the most advanced, ultralight drone on the market. From high-end imaging to extended range and smart flight tools, the Mini 5 Pro might just redefine what's possible in a drone you can fit in your jacket pocket. For travelers, filmmakers, and drone hobbyists alike, this upcoming release is worth keeping an eye on. If DJI delivers on even half of what's being speculated, the Mini 5 Pro could set a new benchmark not just for small drones, but for the entire consumer drone category.